I'm Tim Kelchner with your Catholic Health Update for the week of June 24th. There's a new look for emergency care at St. Catherine of Siena Hospital after a $1 million renovation. Administrators, elected officials, and community leaders came together for a ribbon cutting to officially open the new space at the Smithtown Hospital. The renovation includes new treatment bays, upgraded technology, and an expanded waiting area, as well as a new triage suite. These renovations were made possible through philanthropic support from the community, including a $500,000 gift from the Banyan Tree Roots Foundation with matching funds from major donors. There's also a beautiful brand new pre-surgical testing suite at Catholic Health's Mercy Hospital. The state-of-the-art 3,300 square foot space is more than twice the size of the previous area and will help to improve the patient experience and access of care. It features 8 spacious exam rooms, an x-ray room, and new technology. The suite was made possible through a $1 million grant from the Mother Cabrini Health Foundation and funds from the Friends of Mercy Hospital. Finally today, a special visit at St. Charles Hospital brought smiles to the faces of several rehab patients. Members of the USA Patriots softball team stopped by the Port Jefferson Hospital to share stories and inspiration with the patients as they continue their healing journey. The team is comprised of military veterans with amputations, and they talked to patients about their injuries and the rehab process and showed that with hope and hard work, anything is possible.
It's incredibly rewarding because, when you're in that bed, that hospital bed or that wheelchair, you want somebody to talk to because you have so many questions. You have zero clue how it's going to be. Hope is a powerful thing. St. Charles is amazing. The team is incredibly gracious. They got smiles on their face. You can tell they're pushing people. Every single patient that I've talked to said, I have an incredible team behind me. And it does take a team to get everybody back on their feet. So St. Charles is doing it right. They're doing it with love. And it's very evident that that's what's happening.
A truly amazing story and a great way to end our day. You can find more stories just like this one on the Catholic Health website. It's CatholicHealthLI.org. With your Catholic Health Update, I'm Tim Kelchner.